Hi and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, you are fine and happy and safe. So today I'm back with another general reading. Today we will see that what is your person's current energies for you, what this person would like to tell you right now if they could, and what should you know about the situation. Okay, so again, this is a general reading, so please take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. And let's start. This will be pick a pile reading, so I'll make the piles and I want you to choose from the piles, but please use your intuition or the numbers or anything. There is no rigid rules, right? So this goes your pile number 1. Oops, okay, this shall be your pile number 2, and there goes your pile number 3. So yeah, I want you to choose with your intuition. To make it better, I will use these hairbands, you can say. So this is for my pile number 1. This is a gray hairband. This is pile number 2. This is pink. And this is pile number 3. This is kind of red, kind of maroon. So yeah, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Take your time, or you can skip right to the readings and you will find the stamps below in the description box. And if you require any information about me, then you shall find the same in the description box below. Okay, let's find out. Ask Spirit whatever question you have. What do you want to know? And who is this person that you want to know about today? Let's see what answers Spirit have for you. Okay, so I'm going to start with my pile number 1 and we'll see. So let's see. Those who chose this gray hairband, headband, whatever, what Spirit has in store for you. What is your person's current energies, what you should know, and what can this person tell you right now? So your card is number 14, Ride the Wave, as you can see it. Okay, so I feel for some of you, you guys might be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. The number 5 can be important for you guys, or there can be Gemini in your chart or your person's chart, but this is not necessary, not mandatory. So let's see what is this person's current energy. For some of you, I find this is somebody, there is some kind of a difference between the two of you, so there can be a lot of conflicts, or there can be there is some kind of an age difference, or there's some kind of a language culture difference, but I'm hearing there's some kind of a difference, or there's something that you guys are not happy about, some kind of a difference, or some kind of a conflict, or some kind of a situation that is going on. But I feel that there is some kind of a silent treatment for some of you, silent war that is going in between you two, or you feel that your person is kind of ignoring you, or you know, you like you are a kind of a serious person, or you want some kind of a serious situation from your person, but I find your person to be somebody who is very artistic, very you know, who is not very grounded, or who is not very much into their emotions, or who is very less consistent. So consistency can be a major blockage in your situation right now, or it has been a very big blockage in your situation all through. Or for some of you, this person can be married, or this person can be in a third party situation, but if that is so, you will know this. So I think your person is in a situation right now, their current energy and their current feelings is they desire you, they are very much, I feel, attracted towards you, if they can see you on social media, or if they can see you like every day in the office, in the school, in the colleges, or in the streets, I don't know, but this person feels that you are somebody who is very very attractive just by the way you look, you know, physically appealing, or just by the way you look, you dress, you talk, or whatever you do, you are somebody who is still very attractive to this person. And this person kind of hides that. I don't feel this person tells you very often, or at least right now, that how much this person is actually attracted towards you, or how much this person feels that you are appealing to them. This person has this energy of somebody who is always in control, somebody who is always saying the right things, doing the right things, and taking up responsibilities, having their everything. There's a lot of control. That is the energy I'm feeling. Either this person is controlling your situation, or you feel that this is somebody who is kind of very controlling all the time, or who likes to be in control. So your person's current energy towards you right now is this person is kind of controlling their emotions, kind of resisting the urge to come forward to talk to you, or to make something happen. But I can assure you that this person is kind of very much attractive, especially physically attracted to you right now. I don't care where this person is seeing you, or whether you guys are in contact or not, but this person is kind of very much attracted to you. Okay. Okay, I feel this is somebody who likes to have a lot of fun. This is somebody who likes to have a lot of fun, or who kind of wants to have fun with you. Like, the energy, let's be honest, the energy that I'm getting for your person right now, currently, for your connection, is this is somebody who right now wants to take things very lightly. This person does not want anything serious right now, but I feel this person kind of feels that you are somebody who is very irresistible. You are somebody who can make their world shake. This is a very strong sexual, a very strong attraction that I'm feeling from your person right now for you. I think there is something very mysterious, or this person does not want to give you clarity right now, because this person knows that you are kind of curious about what this person feels, what this person thinks. And this person is somebody who is like, who kind of likes to play these mind games with you, where they would often come around as somebody who is always there, who is very caring, emotional, and who promises you the world, but the next thing you know is that this person is nowhere to be found. So this is an energy coming from your person, that is somebody who is very flirty, somebody who is very light-hearted, and like, rather, right now I would say this person is in this emotion, is in this energy, where this person is kind of wanting to have fun with you, is kind of wanting to hang around, wanting to talk to you, flirt with you, make memories, go to parties, all that stuff. But right now I don't feel this person wants anything serious, or any kind of a commitment towards you. This is somebody who finds you irresistible, and who just wants to be with you, all the time. But I think the main blockage is that your person does not want to show you all the cards right now. Your person does not want to open up right now, because this person, number one, this person likes to enjoy this mind game situation, or this chasing, that either you are chasing, or this person feels that you kind of you are curious, or you want to know more about this person, or you want this person. So there is this energy that your person can feel from you, which makes this person kind of proud. I don't know, like, what, this is a different energy. Your person kind of likes the idea that you are chasing this person, or kind of likes the idea that you are also interested, or you are also curious about this person. And I feel this is somebody who just wants to have fun right now. This is somebody who just wants to show you off, take you on dates and party, and buy you things and stuff like that. Okay, that is the current energy. Now let's see, what would this person tell you right now if they could? What is in their heart, in their mind, that they would like to tell you if they could? Spirit. What would this person tell you? Okay, I have the Page of Swords, three of sorry two of Pentacles. Okay, the first message that is coming through is this person would like to tell you that even if you think that they are not interested, or even if you think that they are far away from you, they always have an eye on you. They are always stalking you or checking you up, or they are always keeping tabs on you. Okay, that can be directly, indirectly, through social media, through some mutual friends or whatever ways, but they always are there. You know, they are always looking at you, your posts, what are you doing, what are your hobbies, how have you changed, have you not changed. You know, there is a lot of things that goes on in this person's mind, but this person never shares, this person never opens up, this person never shows you all the cards on the table. That is what I feel. So this person would like to tell you that right now this person also feels the pain that you feel. This person also knows that how painful this person was to you, or this connection was to you, and how much betrayed that you feel right now, how much pain, how much of a blockage that you feel right now, as if your entire life has come to the end, or as if there is a pause, there is a, you know, a lot of time has went by, and whatever you wished for never happened, or whatever you were looking for in this person you never found. This is somebody who would like to tell you that they always look up to you, they always have tabs open on you, they always want to know what you are doing, how you are doing, and they feel that you are an incredible person who is attractive, who is intelligent, and who can make their world go round. But this person also feels very bad, this person feels sorry sometimes that they did what they did to you, that they hurt you, that, you know, they were the reason, you know, right now or sometime in the past, or they were the reason one day that you had to cry, or you had to punish yourself somehow or the other. They also want to tell you, pile number one, that right now they are looking forward, right now they are moving forward, but the twist is that when they achieve what they are desiring, when they have the world on their control, they will come back to have something beautiful with you. They cannot promise you anything right now because they have a very messed up situation. They have a life so messed up, but they don't show it to the world because they show a face who is in control. They show a face who has everything, whatever that he or she desires, who has their life, who has a perfect life, a perfect marriage, a perfect job, everything is so perfect, but the reality is not. The reality is that they are in a messed up situation and they cannot promise you anything right now, but they just want to tell you that you are always there on their mind, you are always there when they are alone thinking of you, you know. They often fantasize about you, pile number one, and they absolutely wish to come back to you someday when the time is right. But for now, you should know that you should not wait and you should not shed tears for them, because you are always there on their heart. You should move forward, look up with a lot of hope, because you should and you deserve a very beautiful and happy life. So they just want you to know that you can move forward, you can have a happy life, and when the time is right, they will come back to you. They will tell you all that you want to know now. They have a lot of answers, but the time is not right. There is something with the timing, there is something with the people around you that they cannot trust. So wow, that is what I feel for you, pile number one. I think that is what the energy is for your group, and this is what your person would like to tell you right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this and this resonated. If it did, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, put down your comments, whatever you want to share. And thank you so much once again. Take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next reading. So let's move on to my pile number 2, and let's see what your person has to say to you. Okay, so pile number 2, whoever chose this pink headband or hairband, this is your pile. Let's see what is the current energy of your person and what would they like to tell you. So your card is number 2, Gentle Gardener. I'm hearing the phrase, take it slow. Slow and steady shall win the race. Take it slow. So there is something that your person is getting impatient about, or I feel that this person wants to take it slow. This person wants to think, this person wants to take time and take some rest and then start again. I also feel this person feels like this is not the end of the road with you, but this is just a pause. This is a situation where things have turned some way or the other that this person did not imagine things to turn to. So this person needs some time. This person wants to clear out a lot of situations in their life. That is the first energy that is coming from your person. Let's see what the spirit has to say. What is pile 2's person's energy for them right now? What is pile 2's person's energies for them right now, spirit? I have the devil, I have the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, so pile 2, your person is taking things slowly. This person does not want to rush the situation with you, no matter what the situation is. This person is taking things very slowly. This person is kind of thinking a lot about you, about the other situations in their life. I feel this person is giving a lot of thought to everything right now. Whatever this person is doing, whatever is going on. I also feel that this can be somebody who is a Capricorn or Aries, that is, or Pisces maybe, that you are dealing with, or Virgo is also an energy coming forward. So it does not have to be, but I'm just saying. So this is somebody who is very, very, very attracted towards you, as I think that was the similar energy in pile number 1, but there is a lot of difference from pile number 1. So I feel this person wants to take it slow. This person feels that things between the two of you have gone out of control. Things have took a turn that this person did not analyze before. This person did not comprehend, and this person was kind of shocked, kind of surprised with what happened between the two of you. So this person is kind of taking things very, very slowly with this situation. I feel there is a this person has got feelings for you. This person has a lot of emotions that this person is kind of drowning in. So this person feels that there are a lot of high emotions, there is a lot of lows too, and there is a lot of emotional imbalance that this person is feeling for you right now. This person just wants to be in control, but it seems like that in this situation, his feelings for his or her feelings for you is kind of getting out of control. This is something that this person did not comprehend. Let's see what else. Pile 2, what is the current situation of your person? No, not so many. Okay. I feel for some of you there has been an ending. There has been some kind of a conclusion that maybe you have given to this person, or there has been some kind of a conflict or a fight that you two had, and this person always thinks about the fight. Or okay, the energy feels like pile number 2 that there is something negative that has happened between the two of you, and that is the thing that this person cannot get out of their mind. Like something that haunts this person every time, every day. I don't know, for some of you this can be a very ugly fight that the two of you had. This can be a family situation, this can be a divorce, a breakup, a separation, or some kind of a cheating might be involved, some kind of a betrayal, heartbreak, but something did happen that is kind of a nightmare for this person, or this person is facing the consequences right now because of what this person did, or because of what the situation turned out to be. So this person feels punished, this person feels as if there has been a very very unjust turn of events for this person. I feel this person um, is feeling very very weighed down. This is a very low energy that this person is in. This person does not feel good, this person does not feel motivated, this person is not very hopeful about this connection. But I feel deep down this person has got a lot of feelings for you, pile 2. This is somebody who really wants to start again. This is somebody who really wants to have something very stable, like a marriage, or want to have kids with you, or want to have a very long term connection with you. Whatever stability is for the both of you, I think this person wants that with you. This person wants something which will last forever, or for a very 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 long time. You are somebody who is like a wish fulfillment. You are somebody who is like the northern star for this person. You give this person light, you give this person hope. But right now, let me tell you that this person is in a very very low situation, where this person does not feel happy, where this person does not feel motivated to take up the responsibility or to make any changes in the situation. For a lot of you, something really really heartbreaking has happened between the two of you, or something has happened that kind of changed the entire meaning of the situation for your person. Okay, so let me see what this person would like to tell you right now if they could. What would this person tell pile number 2 right now if they could? Yeah, the 9 of cups. Yeah, as I say, this, you are somebody like a wish fulfillment for this person, you know. You are the northern star, as I said. Knight of swords. Okay, I have the 5. Yeah, this person is somebody who is very very sad right now, or who is going through the lows or through the consequences or something that have happened or this person have done to you. But there is a lot of love. Pile number 2, there is a lot of love that this person feels for you right now. Okay, so what would this person like to tell you if they could right now, pile 2? I feel what this person would say to you right now is that you are somebody who this person wants to build with. You are somebody, no matter whatever have happened between the two of you or is happening right now, you are somebody that this person imagines a future with. This person plans a family with. No matter what this person did or how this person behaved or whatever have changed, but the feelings or the emotions or the intention did not change. I also feel for some of you, this person wants to tell you that there is a lot of people involved in the situation, maybe from your side, maybe from this person's side, who create a lot of drama, who are creating a lot of blockage, who are creating a lot of pressure on this person, maybe to end the situation, maybe to who all are making the situation worse or making it very difficult for your person to have a peaceful state of mind. Your person wants to tell you that they love you. They love you with all their heart and they wish all the best for you. This person is very sad. Either this person is crying over you or this person thinks about you every night. And all, for a lot of you, this person cannot sleep. This person stays up, you know, night after night thinking about you, thinking how to solve the situation, whatever has happened, why it happened, how could this person have changed the outcome, the consequences, but they did not, where they failed to make this connection what they should have made out of it. This person wants to tell you that they see you. For some of you, this is only for some of you, if you are with somebody else right now and they know about it, they can see you, they want to tell you that they wish you all the best. They see you and they feel pain, they feel regret, they know what they have lost a chance with you, and this makes them very sad that you have moved on, or you are with somebody else, or you don't want them anymore. This is for some of you. This person feels that pain now. This person feels that regret now, that they should have felt a long time ago, that they should have changed something in this situation that they did not. and this person wants to tell, for some of you, wants to apologize, wants to tell you sorry for what you have to go through, for what they have did to you. I also feel this person would like to tell you that, will you accept them if they come back? Will you take them back? Will things ever be the same again? Will things ever change for you? For some of you, this person also wants to ask you that you can punish them if you want, but don't go away from them, or will you take them if they want a second chance, basically, pile number 2. Because I feel there is a lot of pain that this person is feeling. So I don't know exactly what happened. For everybody this will be a different story, because this is a general reading. So I feel that this person is kind of scared to come back and to face you, but they really want something very stable out of this connection, out of your situation. But this person is very scared. This person feels that you will not take them back. This person feels that everything has been destroyed between the two of you, and there is no chance of coming back together again in this lifetime. But this person would like to say that they are really in love with you. Okay, pile number 2. So that is what I feel for you, and I hope this resonated and made sense to you. If it did, then please do subscribe to the channel, be a part of our family, and like the video, share it, and put down your comments if you want to, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much again. Okay, so now I'll move to my pile number 3, which is the last pile of the reading, and we'll see that what does your person want to tell you, and what is their current energies right now. So whoever chose this red or maroon headband, hairband, this is your pile number 3. Let's see what is this person's current energy. Okay, so we have details, number 43, if you can see that. So the energy that I feel is that your person, okay, for some of you I'm feeling that there is some kind of a trust issue, either from your side or from this person's side, that is coming through. Somebody has got trust issues. Somebody cannot trust the other person or the situation here. Somebody is very skeptical about the future of this connection. You know, there is a lot of questions. Should I do this? Should I move forward? Should I move on? Should I give it a second chance? Is this person the right person? Is this person my soulmate, or is this person worth it? Is this situation worth? So there is a lot of questions. There is a lot of ifs and buts, and should I and shouldn't I, you know. So let's see, what is your person's current feeling, situation, energy for you. What is pile number 3 person feeling? What is their energy for pile number 3, spirit? What is their energy for pile number 3? Okay, so you might be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or it might be somewhere in your chart, but does not have to be, because air sign is coming up. Yeah, all air. So there is a very dominant Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra right here, or maybe your person is, but it is not necessary or mandatory, so don't stress over it. Okay, now your person's feelings. Okay, this is somebody, this is somebody who is very proud, very I feel there is a lot of anger, some kind. For some of you, there is a lot of anger coming out. There is a lot of resistance, or some kind of a very controlling situation. I feel you might find that your person is somebody, or your person is acting like this person is kind of emotionless, or this person is emotionally very withdrawn from you right now, or this connection, and you might have tried to reach out to this person, for some of you, and you did not get anything from them. No replies, no calls, nothing, and you are kind of disappointed with this person, but it kind of makes you sad. But I feel your person right now is somebody who is either angry with you or this situation, or who is kind of very, very emotionally withdrawn. This is somebody who will um, be very rude at times, or right now this person is acting in a very rude way, or um, this person has his ways or her ways, to do things. And I feel this is a kind of a energy which is kind of, you can say, a bit selfish, or this is somebody who is kind of thinking about themselves right now. This person feels hurt. This person feels either betrayed, or this person feels that there has been some kind of a backstabbing going on, or there has been some kind of a trust issues that I have said already, that something had happened that kind of made this person emotionally unavailable. Or this can be something that this person just is imaginary to this person, or this person has just assumed, or it might be something true that this person did get a stab on the back or something like that. So this is somebody who right now is very, very emotionally withdrawn, pile number 3, who is right now kind of selfish. I feel that this person is not kind of really moving away from you, but right now this person does not just want to deal with the situation. Okay, so don't take it as this person is moving on, or this person is not planning a future. But right now I would say that this person is kind of um, ignoring to deal with you or your connection, because this person feels that betrayal, or this person feels some kind of a pain or some kind of a heartache. This person is kind of investing on themselves and on their life, on their whatever they do. Okay, Knight of Cups, 3 of Cups. Yeah, so as I said, don't take it as this person does not imagine a future with you, or this person never would deal with you. um, I feel for some of you this person wants you to, this person is playing some kind of a mind game with you right now. This person is just kind of um, wanting you to feel a certain way or do a certain thing which you might know better, because you are dealing with this person, you know this person the best. So this is somebody who is playing games with you, and games does not mean that this person is cheating on you or something, who is playing mind games with you, because this person feels betrayed, or this person feels very pissed, and this person feels a certain way. This person also wants you to feel that way. So this can be that this person is intentionally, for some of you, making you kind of jealous, or putting up things on social media that would annoy you or that would make you worried. And if this person is doing something like that, just know that this person wants to um, this person is intentionally doing it because this person wants some kind of a reaction out of you. This person wants you to feel some kind of a way, so that you react, or maybe you apologize, or you come out from this, basically you break the ice between the two of you, or you change something between the two of you. So I don't feel this is something that one should do, but I feel that that is the energy that I feel from your person right now. This is somebody who is kind of taking you on a ride with him or her. um, this person will come forward, will come back eventually, but before that this person is out on a wild, wild ride, and this person is kind of tagging you along. This person is kind of manipulating, you can say, is kind of manipulating the situation with you. Pile 3. So let's see what this person would tell you if they could today or right now. What would this person tell you if they could? Pile 3. Knight of Wands, Strength. What would this person tell you if they could? Okay, I feel for some of you, if there is a third party situation going on, um, this person wants to tell you that because of that third party situation, they sometimes feels stuck in the situation, either with the third party or with you. They want to come out, they want to be free, but there is a lot of obstacles that this person is facing in life. So for those who are in a third party situation, this person would like to tell you that they are stuck with both of you, and both you and the third person, and they don't know where to go, where to start, where to finish things up. But this person wants independence, some kind of independence coming out of the situation. And for the rest of you, I would say that this person definitely feels betrayed. So I don't know what exactly happened, but this person feels that this person requires some kind of time to feel replenished again, to be back with their own energy again. This person does not feel the same. This person is kind of in a very, very unstable, mentally, emotionally unstable situation. This person feels betrayed. This person feels some kind of a backstabbing has happened, or some kind of a cheating, some kind of a something that have, emotionally tortured this person. And this person wants to take time, replenish, and then think about the future or something. This person feels that you are somebody who, this person is meant to be with, if you can relate, or maybe this is your husband or this is your wife that you are asking about. Or this can be that this person feels that you both have everything that you guys need to be together forever, but there is some kind of a time, or some kind of a time's up rather, that this person wants a break, that this person wants, so that this person can decide, so that this person can ultimately clarify and be clear to themselves that what they want and what they should do and what their actions should be. This is somebody who wants to come towards you, and because I feel the only situation that is working is the attraction, the attachment that this person feels with you. This person can wants to tell you that they acknowledge that attachment, they acknowledge that attraction that you both still have between the two of you, but this person needs time, this person needs a break to understand things better, to have his or her own space, to have his or her own clarity, so that they can give you clarity, or they can have a very simple life ahead. So I would say that this person is very closed off and withdrawn right now, pile number 3, and it is better that you give them some kind of a space or some time, so that they can have a clear set of mind, and things can move forward in a better and smoother way. Okay, so that is what I have for you, my pile number 3, and I hope that you have liked the reading and it resonated well. If it did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Put down your comments if you want to tell something. And thank you so much once again. I shall see you in the next reading. Take care and stay blessed.